natural antibiotic and antiviral properties. Onions have been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times. A new benefit of this nutrient is discovered every day. It provides incredible benefits to our body, especially when consumed by cooking, and is good for many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits of onion consumption? How much and when should it be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular consumption of cooked onions? The sulfur found in onions helps to prevent plaque build up in the veins by thinning the blood and fights inflammation in the veins. In particular, onions, which reduce triglyceride formation and bad cholesterol levels, contribute to a reduction in the risk of heart diseases in the long run. With its rich potassium content, it is very effective in the work of striated muscles and in maintaining the body's water balance. In addition, if the onion is consumed in small amounts, it cleans the entire digestive system from toxins and bacteria with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It is a rich source of probiotics that improve the beneficial bacteria in the gut and benefit the immune system. Onions are also a rich source of quercetin. Quercetin is essential for regulating blood sugar levels in the body. In particular, it cooperates with phosphorus and reduces the absorption of sugar in the intestine. The high amount of antioxidant content facilitates the removal of excess edema and toxins in the body. With its contribution to both blood sugar and digestive system, the vitamin C it contains increases the quality of metabolic activities in the body and encourages the use of fat cells in energy metabolism. This makes weight controls much easier. Onions against diseases. A quarter of an onion provides 30% of a person's daily vitamin C needs. As an antioxidant, vitamin C reacts with other compounds and increases our body's resistance to viruses and bacteria. So, is there any harms in consuming onions? First of all, onion consumption creates discomfort in individuals who have stomach problems. For this reason, individuals with stomach acid imbalancing should consume onions, especially by cooking, and adjust the amount correctly when consuming. In addition, the use of excess oil in the preparation of onions will not be very beneficial for health. All the benefits we mentioned are based on the healthy preparation and consumption of onions during the usage processes. Onions prepared with excess oil and salt will not be beneficial but harmful. So, how much onion should be consumed? Experts recommend consuming a portion of onion prepared in the right conditions during this 3 to 4 days. In the light of this information, you can add onions to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay will be informed.